Hello friend, now we are solving one more example of division. See here, here is the example. Already I have created a structure and I wrote question number here. So now divisor I want to write here. So divisor, from divisor I want to write here 15, because by 15 I will divide that number, and remaining two digits 2 and 1 I want to take as a flag digit. So here we can observe that we have two flag digits, 2 and 1. So here two flag digits we have taken for this example. So from the given number, two digits I want to keep after decimal point. So here I want to put a decimal point, but apart from decimal point I am putting one cross line, and exactly below that line I want to put decimal point because it is our answer section. Now we are going to solve our example. Now see here, this 8 is there and here is 15. So 15 ones I cannot say, so I am saying 15 zeros because 8 is smaller than 15. And now that 8 I am adding with this one, so here I am getting 81. Here this is the 81 new dividend. So now here is 15. So now I want to say 15 5s are 75. And if I am taking 75 and subtracting from it, remaining 81 minus 75, remaining 6. So that I want to add here. So here I have 62. So before taking 62 for division, I should subtract something. And what to subtract? Product of those cross multiplication. Two digits are there, two flag digits are there. So answers two digit. And so now cross product, cross multiplication. 2 5s are 10. And 0 1s are 0 itself. Togetherly they are 10 only. So 10 I should subtract from this 62. So finally I am getting 52 for further procession. So 15 is here, 15 3s is suitable. So I am taking 15 3s. So 15 3s 45. If I am subtracting from 52, I am getting 7 here. So here 73 I am getting. And now if it is 73, so I should subtract cross multiplication of flag digit, two flag digits and two answer digits. So it is now 2 3s are 6 and 5 1s are 5. Togetherly they are 11. So 11 I should subtract from it. So I am getting here 6 to 62. Okay, if here is 15, then 6 15 4s are 60 I can do. So I will subtract 60. So I am getting 2, that I am writing here. So here now I have 22. Okay, so now here is 22 and I should subtract cross multiplication. Now 4 2s are 8 and 3 1s are 3. So totally I should subtract 11 from it. So I am subtracting, remaining is 11 with me. So now 15 is there, 11 is smaller than 15. So what to do? 15 zeros I am taking, 15 zeros are 0. So that 11 directly I am carrying forward for next one process. So here I am getting 115. So now again 0 into 2 0 and 4 into 1 4, means togetherly 4 I should subtract from it. So after subtracting I am getting 111, and now I am thinking 15 words I can say. 15 7s are 105 are suitable for me. If I am subtracting 105 from it, I am getting 6 again back. So if here is 6, then I have to cross multiply again. 7 2s are 14 and 0 1s are 0. Itself means 14 is there to subtract from it. So I am getting here 50. Yeah. So before precision, one more 0 I want to add here. So if 50 is here, then 15 3s are easily I can say. 15 3s are 45. 50 minus 45, remaining 5 that I am taking here. And now from the 50 again 3 2s are 6 and 7 1s are 7. It means 6 and 7 13 I should subtract. So remaining with me 37, and if it is 37, then 15 2s are 30 I can say. So 2s I am taking, and so that is my answer here. Okay, so finally answer that I am rubbing, finally we have got the answer 5340.732. Okay, here one more thing we are going to understand. We got the answer in decimal form, but suppose we are asking the answers remainder and question in this form, then what to do for if there are two digits in the flag. If two flag digits are there, then at this situation how to find remainder of that answer, that is still we have not understood, that we are going to understand just now. Okay, it is very simple, no problem. So for that one process is there to find the remainder. In the previous way, what we were doing after the cross line, what number we were getting, that was our remainder. But here a little method different is that. So what is that different method, that I am going to tell you. To find the remainder of this example, complete number, it is our question. But remainder, to find remainder, what to do? After cross line, something you have 5 and 4, that two digit you have kept after the cross line, and from left side you have taken 11. So 1154, that number is here, whole number that I am taking here. I am taking here just now 1154. This is the number. To find the remainder of this example, what are you doing just now? You are writing firstly that number, and how you created that number? From that side you have taken 11 and 5 is there, 1154, that number you have wrote here. Then from this 1154 you should subtract something, and what to subtract? So before that, here are two flag digits. So before the decimal point, means unit and tens place, to choose two only digits. If here would be three flag digits, then we could choose 3. So here are only two digits, so just I am choosing two digits from the decimal point. So I have chosen 0 and 4. And now what to do? Firstly, in the first step, I should subtract something. So what to subtract from 1154? So firstly, product of 2 into 0 and 1 into 4. Okay, firstly 2 into 0, 0, and 4 ones are 4. Both addition multiplied by 10, that I should subtract, and again with it again I should subtract, that is unit from here last digit and from here last digit. So 2 zeros are 0. With it again I should subtract this product, last digit from here, last digit from here. 0, 1 zeros are 0 is there, and that I should multiply by 1, means itself only. So those two terms I should subtract from it. Okay, this term has 0 value, so forget it. Now this 4 into 4, 10. So 4 tens are 40. I want to subtract now from the whole. Just see, this below term has 0 value, so I am just rubbing it because it has no value. And now 0 plus 4, 4 itself only, and 4 into 10. So 40 I should subtract from 8. If I will subtract 40 from 8, then my answer is 1114, and this is remainder of our this example. By solving more and more example and finding remainder of it, definitely you would understand how to find remainder if there are 2 or 3 or 4, 5 digits in the flag digit position. Okay, so this example we have got here, it is our quotient 5340, and this is our remainder. So now we are rubbing this example, and next example we are taking. Now we are solving one more example of division. So see, here is the example. You can see it is the example 9,37,539 divided by 679. Okay, so according to rule, just I have written a number and now I can write this number. But see, if you will observe carefully, if I have taken suppose 67 here and 9 as a flag digit, it can become too hard for me because I don't know table of 67. Okay, so suppose I will take here 6 and 7 and 9 flag digits I am taking, still I will be get a little bit hard. So here then in this division example, I want to use a Venn number. Means this divisor I want to convert into Venn number. So what it is, that 9, for that 9 I want to write less -1 and here 8. But still that 8 also is too little hard for me. So that I want to convert in that way. For 8 I want to write less 2 and that 6 I want to write here. So here you can understand that this number 6, 7, 9 we have converted in 7 to 1. But in the 7 to 1, 2 and 1 are negative number. That is to keep in mind. So now 7 to 1 I want to place here. So 7 is my temporary divisor. From it, and 2 and 1 are my flag digits, but they both are negative flag digit. That is to keep in mind. Okay, so here are 2 flag digits that just I told you, and so here are 2 flag digits. So 2 digits from the question number I want to keep after a cross line, and below the cross line I want to put here decimal point just now, and we are going to solve our example. So here I am choosing first digit, that is 9, and here is 7. So easily I can say 7 ones are, so just I am saying 7 ones are 7. Subtracting from this 9, getting to that I want to write here. Here is 23. Here is 23. Here only one digit in the answer I have just now. 2 flag digits are there, so 2 digits from answer I should take, but not there. So here virtually I am taking 1 0, and now I am going to conduct everything. So here cross multiplication, addition of this cross multiplication, then it is 2 ones are 2, and it is 0 ones are 0, so it has 0 value, no doubt. So one thing to care here, less -2 into 1, value is -2. And its value is 0, so no problem. So here is -2 to subtract from it, -2. Keep in mind, we are subtracting -2 from 9. It means minus plus. So both are the negative flag digits. So everywhere apart from subtracting, we are going to add whatever we are getting. So here directly I want to write like that, add 2. So from in the 9 I am adding 2 and I am finally getting 11, and now I am thinking for my next process. So 7 is here, so again I have to say 1za. 7 1za 7. I am sorry, here is 23 with me. I am extremely sorry, I made a little correction. So what is there? That 2 I should subtract from, I should add in that. So 23 plus 2, 25 I am getting. Okay, and now I am thinking 7 is here, so 7 3za is suitable for me. If I am saying 7 3za, then 21 is there, 25 minus 21, remaining 4 that I am adding here. So here I have just now 47, and now from the 47 I should subtract something, which is that 3 2za less 6 and 1 1za less 1. So togetherly they are less 7. Subtracting less 7 means adding 7 in that. So after adding 47 plus 7, it is becoming 54. Here is 7. So now with 54, 7 7za is suitable. 7 7za 49. That just I took, and now I should subtract 49 from it. I am getting 5 that I want to write here, and here I am getting 55. Okay. So from 55, now I should subtract something. So it is what? 7 2za negative 14 and 3 1za negative 3. So totally I should subtract 17. Minus 17 means I should add 17 in that. So by adding 17 here, 55 plus 17, I am getting 72. Just see, 7 5 and 7, 12 2 1 carry over. So 72 is correct. Now here is 7, here is 7, and here is 72. So just say tenza. What to change afterwards, that I am telling you afterwards, no problem. So here I wrote tenza because 7 tenza 70 is there, and now that I am 70 I am subtracting, and remaining 2 I want to write here. So now here are 23 with me, and now I should subtract product of 10 2 za 20 and 7 1 za 7, but both are negative. So 27 minus, subtracting minus 27 means adding 27 in that. So togetherly I am getting here 50, and now again 7 7 za here 7 is there, so here is 50, so 7 7 za I can say just now 7 7 za 49, subtracting 49 from it, remaining 1 that I want to write here. Now 19 is there, some zeros I want to add here, 1 0 is enough, still adding 2. Okay, so 19 is here, in the 19 something 7 2 za negative 14 and 10 1 za negative 10, means totally negative 14 to subtract means negative 24 to subtract means adding 24 in it. So here I am getting togetherly 43, and now 7 is here, so 7 6 za I can do, 7 6 za 42, 1 is remaining, 43 minus 42 that I am adding here, and now 7 2 za negative 12 and 7 1 za negative 7, togetherly 19 should add here. Why I am adding that you know, so it is becoming 29, and so now 7 4 za is suitable, 7 4 za 29, 1 is remaining, I am keeping here, but I am stopping here because up till 3 digit I have found the answer. So here a little change you firstly should observe in the answer. While writing in the decimal form, here is 10, so from 10 you are taking 1 here, from 10 you are taking 1 here, so in the 7 you are adding 1, so it is becoming 8 and here is remaining 0. So your final answer would be 1380.764. Just keeping in mind here 2 digit number has been come, so that 1 should forward here, so here would be remain 0, and that 7 plus 1 8 would be here. So here you can see. Okay, now one thing is that we are going to find remainder, we are going to find also remainder of this example. So how to find remainder, that is to understand. So our previous method, from this side we have taken 2 and answers those 2 digit means 2 3 9, that I am taking here for finding. Firstly one cross line, I want to put one line here. Okay, so 2 3 9 to find the remainder, firstly I am getting here 2 3 9, and from here something to subtract. What to subtract? Last 2, this one after the decimal point, this one and this one, let it 2 digit, is not problem, but this one and this one and this one and this one means a flag digit, two flag digits, and answers unit and 10 unit place and 10 place. Here is unit place 10 because that answer we have only found this 10 and 7 and 2 and 1, its cross multiplication should subtract. So how it is, that I am telling you. Firstly both cross multiplication multiplied by 10, and then again we should subtract last digits multiplication into 1. These 2 steps are there, 2 things we have to subtract from it. Okay, so how it is coming, that we are going to understand. It is now 10 2 za less 20, 10 2 za crossly I am multiplying, and now 7 1 za 7, so it is 20 minus 20 minus 7, so it is togetherly minus 27, and if multiplying by 100 okay, next one also step we are doing here, this one. Now from here last digit, from here last digit, so 10 1 za minus 10, it is minus, so minus 10 is there. Okay, now we are observing those 2 steps. It is minus 27 into 10, so definitely it is minus 270, you know it, and it is, if multiplying by it, minus 10 into 1, it is minus 10 only. Now see, minus 10 and minus 270 and minus 10 both should subtract from it, means togetherly this should subtract, they are togetherly 280. So subtracting 280 from it means directly adding in 239, we have to add 280. Just keep in mind, we are going to subtract 280 minus 280, minus minus plus. So here we are directly adding. So now our final answer is 9, 1 and 5. Just we done addition of it. 9 and 0, 9, 3 and 8, 11 to 1, 1 carry over, and that's it. So it is the remainder 511, and 519 is our remainder, and quotient, just I told you what is the quotient. Just keep here. Quotient is 1, 3, and apart from 7, 8 would be that, just I have taught you, and this is the quotient. This is remainder, and this is quotient. Yeah. Again we are taking one more example, so our understanding would be more clear by it.